things I think is so interesting, when you think about this regenerative agriculture movement, it feels like something new, when in reality, it's something old. When you see the way that cultural traditions are coming to life, the ceremony that prepares the harvest, the love for Pachamama and Mother Earth, and then ultimately how that translates into regenerative agriculture practices, these are not new things. It's really a return to celebrating some of the ancestral ways and cultural traditions of Peruvian farmers over hundreds of years. In broad strokes, regenerative agriculture is really important because what it does is it helps heal the soil. It captures carbon. It ensures that plants can continue to grow. It promotes biodiversity and ultimately nutrient density as well. We're seeing a movement of more people being aware and interested in these climate-smart agricultural practices. We're seeing more customers start to demand them, and we're seeing the supply chain start to cultivate them as well.
When I think about farming in the world today broadly, we have a system today that's very commercialized, and that farming practice is pulling from the earth and it's not putting a lot back in. So when I see the systems that I saw this week, they're proving that it works, that the economy of it works, that it works for the farmer, that they can learn these practices. And so you start small and it begins to grow over time. Building a market that goes all the way back to a farmer, where you can see that they're actually getting paid more, their lifestyle's being improved, the things that they can do to elevate their children's education and involvement is really, that changes the world for like forever, not just for today. And so being involved in that is exhilarating.
Estas prácticas regenerativas son importantes desarrollarlas aquí porque la agricultura como tal es una actividad que soporta la alimentación mundial y tenemos que pensar en el futuro y en las siguientes generaciones para poder hacer de estos productos que están ahora acá un producto que los podamos ver en los siguientes 30 o 50 años. Si nosotros hacemos una agricultura extractiva como vinimos haciéndola hace como los últimos años, en los últimos 30 o 50 años, lo que vamos a lograr es que vamos a extinguir los recursos, el recurso tierra, el recurso agua, y lo que queremos es seguir aprovechando estos recursos, que estos recursos sean fuente de producción en los siguientes años.
Taking a step back, I often think about the symbiotic relationship we have with the suppliers, in that our purpose to nourish people and the planet is not possible without suppliers, like Simply, who share our mission, who share our desire to have a positive impact through business, who feel a deep responsibility to advance the industry and agriculture. And our supplier partners also can't do it without us. And so what we do at Whole Foods Market is we create a market for these products. We, through our stores and through the relationships we have with our customers and our quality standards that are really industry leading, we create demand for what's grown in these rural regions in places like Peru.
At Simply, by working directly with a farmer, we've created a process of trust and balances. We believe that the work they do every single day, and they've been doing from generation to generation, is very important, but we have to have a set of common language and standards where we align onto the work that they do and the work that we can share with our customers in the story of where the food comes from. That's where Regenerative Organic Certification comes from. It's the highest standard in food agriculture today, and it really focuses on those three pillars of organic agriculture, animal welfare, and social fairness. And it really creates a standard and a common language across all our farmers that they are abiding to a set of standards and they are doing the work that they're in the field, so we're able to share the story with our customers as well.
Uno de mis mayores objetivos es poder crear esta capacidad técnica en los líderes o identificar líderes en cada comunidad para que este efecto multiplicador se dé no solamente con las comunidades que nosotros trabajamos. La idea es que lo que venimos sembrando ahora se replique lo más pronto posible en comunidades que quizá no tengamos un alcance directo, pero que sí haya un líder de cada comunidad que pueda trabajar conjuntamente con nosotros y poder replicar. Y si ahora quizá en esta comunidad somos 100 agricultores, en 2, 3 o 5 años seamos 1000 agricultores. La idea es poder maximizar y masificar y que todos estemos alineados y yendo con un solo objetivo.
I've been doing a lot of thinking lately about what I think my life's work is. And what I think my life's work is to change agriculture and the food system from the inside out. It is so inspiring to me when you think about the potential of farming to change the lives of people over generations. And through the work of a brand like Simply and many of our partners, by really harnessing these cultural traditions and creating the most amazing products, you can taste the difference. You can taste whether it's grown in one region or another. Again, you can feel the love and the care that goes into that. And ultimately, Whole Foods Market is creating a market that celebrates cultural tradition, that celebrates authenticity, that celebrates nourishing the land in a way that creates access for our customers in Ohio to taste the best quinoa that Peru has to offer. It's pretty special when you think about it, when you think about the fact that we can bring this cultural tradition to life that our customers may never have access to, may never have the opportunity to visit a quinoa farm in the Sacred Valley in Peru. But through the experience that they can have with Simply's products, they can taste that, they can try that, they can feel a part of those cultural traditions.